So today I was in Dollar Tree and they were completely stocked with all kinds of fashion nails. And for me, Dollar Tree is like a hit or miss, at least the Dollar Trees in my area. Sometimes they will be completely stocked, and then other times the shelves are bare. I hit the jackpot when I found these Kiss nails, and I am so excited. I love Kiss nails. And y'all, don't sleep on Dollar Tree. Don't think that, if you shop at Dollar Tree, you're cheap or you can't afford to do better. Cute is cute. I don't care where it comes from. All right, so I'm calling this my $3 manicure because I've got 2 packs of nails and then 1 pack of glue. I probably could have gotten away with only using 1 pack of nails, but I got 2 because I really wanted to guarantee that I had the sizes that fit all 10 of my fingers. You only get 12 nails in 1 pack. So for example, if there's only 1 nail that fits my index finger perfectly, then what am I going to do about the index finger on my other hand? So just to be on the safe side and guarantee that I've got maximum comfort with these nails, I grabbed 2 packs, and I would recommend you do the same. Just as the directions say, apply a small drop of glue to the artificial nail, and then apply a small drop of glue to your natural nail, and then just press the artificial nail on. Don't go overboard with the glue, because once you press that nail on, any excess glue is going to, kind of squash out around the edges of your fingernail, and that's a telltale sign that you use too much. I've done all of my fingers except the last 2 is what I'm going to show you now. And the way that I prep my nails when I'm doing press-on nails is I wipe them off with alcohol. And this step is totally optional. I just want to make sure that there's no oil on my fingernails because I really want the glue to adhere nicely. So I've got my thumb and index finger left, and I'm ready to begin. I have my nails set aside for me, and now I'm just going to glue them on. My nails are all applied and I think they look so nice. If I did not mention, these are short length and the packaging says that these are new. So I'm assuming that these are a new color. And what I do with my excess nails, I put them in a plastic bag along with the glue, and then I just drop that in my purse. So in the event I'm out somewhere and a nail pops off, I can replace it and keep going along with my business. So I want to give you an update on my Kiss nails that I got from Dollar Tree. I've lost a nail on this hand, and coincidentally, I lost a nail on this hand, same finger. um, one yesterday and one today, and it's day 5 of the nails. So not bad to have only had 2 nails pop off in 5 days. The package does say not to leave the nails on for longer than 7 days. So I am going to go into my reserve nails and replace these 2 and then leave them on for another 2 days. The nails are still very shiny. None of the nails have cracked or chipped or split or anything. And these came from Dollar Tree. I am very, very impressed. Had never purchased kiss nails at Dollar Tree before, nor had I ever seen them at Dollar Tree, which is why I jumped on them immediately and bought 2 packs. So to me, in my opinion, at this point, these nails are comparable to the kiss nails that I've purchased, and paid, close to $8 or $9 for at Walmart, CVS, Walgreens. These nails, they rank right up there with the more expensive kiss nails. So I'm replacing these 2, and so far, so good. So, did the kiss nails from Dollar Tree get my seal of approval? They absolutely did. Friends, if you are in Dollar Tree and you see the kiss nails, grab a few packs because I guarantee they're going to go fast.